creating realistic AI ads with consistent characters, consistent products, but with completely different outfits, backgrounds, and locations, all without any professional skills, without hiring models or actors, and without renting a studio. You don't need to spend a lot of money or waste hours setting things up. With just a few clicks, you can create a virtual model or actor that perfectly matches your brand's style and personality. Then, each time, simply tell them what to wear, where to go, and which product to promote for you. Of course, you could use multiple AI tools and combine different ones for each part of the process. But today, I'm going to show you how you can do all of that inside one single AI platform. Imagine designing your own model and actor with AI, and having all the tools you need right there to create professional photo shoots, UGC-style videos, and even custom voice for your character. This way you can focus more on creativity and storytelling, without worrying about the technical stuff or the final outcome.
I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
And experiences about making animations and videos.
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. After signing up with your Google account and entering your dashboard, you can quickly create a new workspace. Give it any name you like, such as your brand or influencer name. Once you're inside, you'll see 3 main options to get started. The one we're interested in, and the one that helps you create an influencer to promote your products effortlessly, is the Influencer tab. In the chat section, you can easily describe what you want to create and choose your desired tool from the options below. You can generate photos or videos, edit or upscale your images, resize them, and do a bunch of other things that'll help you create your content. You'll also notice that in the settings section, you can select your preferred character model and generate different images of them. In the advanced area, you'll find a full suite of professional tools for generating images, videos, and audio. Here, you can upload a reference image to make consistent character shots, train your own LORA model, or pick a custom style to achieve your desired results. In the Video tab, you can write a prompt and use an image or video reference to generate an entirely new video. The Audio tab gives you access to tools like text-to-speech, voice changer, and sound effects, all super handy for content creation. And finally, there's also a section for generating 3D models just by writing a prompt, which can be really fun if that fits your project. Now, let's jump into the main part. Head over to the Influencer tab and click on Create New. If you already have some photos prepared, you can upload them here. But if you want to start from scratch, click on Generate Photos with AI. Now it's time to choose a name for your character. After that, you can pick an influencer style from the available samples, but keep in mind, this won't make your character look exactly like them. You'll still have a completely unique character. And of course, if you prefer, you can start everything from scratch. In the next step, you'll select the gender, ethnicity, and body shape. Then you can customize the age, hairstyle, and color, and eye color of your character. If you have any additional notes or descriptions, you can write them in the final box before clicking Next. Here, you'll see the first look of your character. Simply pick the one you like best. And if you're not satisfied, you can hit Generate again to create new options. Once that's done, your influencer will be created and appear in the Influencer section. Now comes the fun part. You've got a virtual actor who can wear any outfit, appear in any location, use any props, and say any line you want. Let's give it a try. In the first section, you can generate images of your character. Just write your prompt, choose the number of images and size, and click Generate. From the 4 images that appear, you can easily edit any of them to get the exact result you want. There are tons of powerful tools here to tweak and enhance your images. You can even use Nano if you want to push things further. I also tested a few more prompts, which you'll see here as well. In the video section, you can create videos featuring your character and the images you've already made using AI models like Kling or Veed. Simply write your prompt, choose the video size and duration, then click Create First Frames to generate 4 preview images. Pick your favorite one and hit Generate Video. Next up, the audio section. Here, you'll create your influencer's voice, either by writing a text prompt or cloning an existing one. Fill in the voice description, write a short sample text, give it a name, and click Generate. Now, any text you write can be read out loud in your character's own voice. Finally, we arrive at the main UGC tool, the one that does the heavy lifting and creates your final video. Here, you can write your video concept and explain what your influencer is supposed to do. Then, select the video size and duration. You can make videos up to 10 seconds long, depending on the AI model you choose. You can work with Kling or VO, but if you need lip sync, you'll have to go with Veed. To do that, first upload the voice and dialogue that your influencer will say, set the video model to Veed, and adjust the video length. In the next step, upload your product image and click Create First Frames. Once the images are generated, you can choose one or all of them to turn into your video.
Making smoothies has never been easier. This blender handles everything so quickly and smoothly.
Let's use this same actor to promote a wristwatch. I'll change the prompt product image and dialogue and generate again.
This smartwatch keeps track of everything: steps, heart rate, even my sleep. It's so helpful.
If the generated images don't look right, you can always go back and regenerate them. Just make sure to select the same audio file so it doesn't create a new one each time.
I use just a few drops of this serum every night, and my skin feels so hydrated and glowing.
I hope you found this video helpful and that this tool helps you in your creative process as well. Until next time, stay creative.